Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week I'm going to talk about common repairs on your Toughbook and rugged laptops. So some of the common repairs that we run into on a regular basis, because we have a repair depot here, is, guess what? The screen. For some reason, rugged laptops, keep in mind the LCD is the same LCD that they use in other regular laptops. They're just mounted a lot better and can withstand a bit more abuse, but they still crack if you were to step on this laptop. So we do replace the screens on a regular basis. Another common repair, believe it or not, is the keyboard. The keyboard stops working, they spill water on it. The nice thing about a rugged laptop is it's water resistant to a certain degree underneath the keyboard, but when you spill water on it, the keyboard may stop working, but your laptop will not be totally broke due to the water. And then of course, the mouse pad. The mouse pad is a common repair only because it's a resistive mouse pad, so you really have to push down on the pad in order for it to work, which tends to wear them out and make them very smooth. Eventually, you got to replace those, and that's a very common repair. Another repair that we run into on some of the more fully rugged units is the hinges. So if this thing was in a vehicle and they were stop and go all the time, this screen may flex the hinges over time and they will loosen up. So you do sometimes need to replace the hinges, and we do that here. Another common part that we sell. So this isn't really a repair, this is more like user replaceable would be the little port covers. So if you notice, their port covers are, plastic, and their hinges are a little plastic. So opening and closing this enough eventually flexes it and it breaks. So the good news is there's a screw under here, and basically you can just replace this port cover very easily. User replaceable parts would be the port covers. Same thing with the larger ones. You can see the plastic hinges. They will break eventually as this laptop ages. So those are the most common repairs on a Toughbook and rugged laptops for 2025 that we've seen so far. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.